So we are talking about plant parts and functions. Yesterday I explained for you about the skeleton part of the leaf, how to prepare the leaf, and stomata, which is the main nose, the respiratory part of the plant we discussed. Yesterday I told for you, today we are going to discuss about transpiration. What is meant by transpiration? Removing excess of water, okay, present in the plant is called as transpiration. Removing of excess of water present in the plant is called as transpiration. As I said for you yesterday, if you are drinking more water, how much is necessary for our body? Our body takes only such a certain amount of water. After that, what it will do? The remaining water which is present in our body will be coming out. The excess of water which is present in our body comes out through urine and sweat. So in the same way, even plants also, if you are giving 2 to 3 mugs of water or 4 mugs of water, it will not take all the water. How much it is necessary for that one, that much it will take, and the remaining water will be coming out. In which form it is coming out? Through stomata only it will come out. Did you understand? And the water will be converted in the form of water vapor. The water will be converted in the form of water vapor. We will keep in the sunlight, no? So because of that, it will be converted into water vapor. How it will happen? So what we have to do means, we have to take a plant. Take a pot. Okay? Take a pot. In this pot itself, you can see that the plant will be present. Is it correct or not? It will have some branches. It will have some branches, and to these branches it will have some leaves. Like this, a pot, one pot. No need to disturb the plant. Take one pot like this, and you have to take 2 polythene covers. What you have to take? 2 polythene covers. For what purpose? Now one polythene cover, you blow the air into that, okay, empty. 2 polythene covers, one polythene cover, you have to blow the air into that and keep a rubber band to that and keep aside. Now, means keep a knot like this. Here if you are seeing, this one was bulged, and you can see here the empty polythene cover was what is that, blowed and kept aside. The other polythene cover, what we have to do means, we have to cover that one. One polythene cover must be covered with to the stem. One of the stem part which is having more leaves, we have to cover that and keep aside. Once again, you see here what we have to do. We have to take a potted plant, okay, and this one what we will do. We will pour water to this plant, and after that you will take 2 polythene covers. One polythene cover is of empty one. The second one is filled with the second one is covered to a stem of the plant. Leave like that for 1 hour. Okay. After that, after 1 hour, you just come and wash this one. What you can observe in this means, here water droplets will be present in this polythene cover. What are these? Water droplets. Water droplets will be present in this cover. In this cover, nothing will be present. Only how we blow the air into that, the cover will be in the same way. What is the difference between this and this? This is an empty polythene cover. So there is no change in this. Okay. But here what we are doing means, we planted, for this plant, we gave water. The plant took the water Absorption of water already we saw. How the plant will take from the roots, stems, leaves, everything it will take the water, and how much it is necessary. The excess of water, what did I say? Because of the sun's heat, it will get evaporated. Due to the sun's heat, it will get evaporated. So here what is happening means that water changed into water vapor. Okay, and that water vapor you can see in this polythene cover. Now, by this experiment, we can say that the excess of water will get evaporated, and the excess of water coming out from the plants is only called as transpiration. How the plants will absorb the water means we cannot see that one. So, we did that colored ink and we proved that the plants are absorbing water through roots, stem, leaves, veins, veinlets. Each and every part of the plant is taking the water. Now, how much it is necessary, the remaining it is leaving out, that also we did practically by doing this experiment. This is also very important. What is transpiration? How can we prove that one? What is transpiration? Removing excess of water present in the plant is called transpiration. Are we removing? No. It automatically it is taking. Did you understand? It is an autotroph. It can prepare its own food by itself. All the process will be taking place by the plant itself. Got the point? So here what it is doing means it itself is releasing the water, and that water is converted into water vapor. Got the point? What is the transpiration? Now we are going to see a tabular form of the plant. How that plant roots, stem, flowers and fruits will function. We are going to see. Please write this tabular form in your classwork. This is an 8 marks answer. Did you understand? Here what are the different parts of the plant we are having and how they are functioning? We are going to write this answer now. So coming to here, I am dividing into 4 parts this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here part of the plant. Part of the plant. Next one, how it functions, then location and color. In this, the first one is roots. Next we are going with the stem. About the stem. Brown in older plant. About the leaf. Next, flowers. Last and final one is fruits. So now you can see here, this is an 8 marks answer. What you have to do means you have to draw the diagram of the plant and what are the different parts present to the plant. Root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. You will write the parts of that one. And next you have to explain about the root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. In that the first one is root. Okay, function of the root is absorb water and minerals from the soil. We know that if a plant has to stand, it has to grow, it has to develop into a big tree. What is a very important thing is the root. Okay, so this root, what it will do, it absorbs the nutrients and minerals from the soil and it gives support to the plant. Okay, location where it will be under the soil. Below the soil means under the soil. The seed develops, first we will sow the seed develops into small plant, the roots will penetrate from that one and so it is below the soil. Next one, color is generally it is colorless. Okay, if it is, what is that? It is attached to the mud particles, so we will say it is as a brown color, but particularly it is colorless. Next, coming to stem. Support the plant to stand and transport water and food materials. I told for you how stem part water, how the water and food materials will go through lenticels. Through water, through lenticels, the water and food materials by the stem it passes to all. Where it is present? Above the soil. Next one is color, green in younger plants and brown in older plants. Okay, when it is grown up, it changes to brown in color. But when it is small, it is green in color. Green in younger plants and brown in older plants. Next one, leaves. Perform photosynthesis. Okay, what they will do? They will perform the photosynthesis attached to the stem and mostly green in color. Next, flowers. Helps in sexual reproduction. What they are doing? Pollination takes place and the new young plants or young seeds will come out from that one through flowers. It may be pollination, cross pollination, self pollination. Like this, different are there, different things are there where the reproduction takes place. Okay, attached to the flowers are attached to the stem part. Then what is the color? Varies from plant to plant. One plant will have one flower will be depending upon that plant. Now if I take hibiscus, it is red in color, pink, yellow in color, pink color, orange rose if I am taking, we know different colors of roses are there. White, red, black, yellow, like that. Okay. Next, so like that, if you are taking any cucumber, bottle gourd, there you can see yellow flowers. Snake gourd, bitter gourd, if you are taking white color flowers will be present. So it depends upon the plant. Next one is fruits. stores food materials. What the fruit will do? What is the work of fruit? Immediately if a fruit is there, we will start eating that one. So, stores the food material attached to the stem varies from plant to plant. So, this tabular form is very, very important. What you have to write? Part of the plant, function, location and color, and you have to explain like this, draw the diagram and differentiate the plant. Tomorrow we are going to talk about what is photosynthesis. The very important thing, which we have to talk. Tomorrow we will discuss that one. Thank you.